Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing out a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. We've seen a nice quick pump to the upside of Bitcoin yesterday, and today we have Jerome Powell testifying. What could happen next? Could we see a W bottom? Well, let's look at the charts. So if you saw my video from Monday, you saw that I said to you that to invalidate the structure, the market maker structure, we need to break this high right here of 28,454, close above that on the 1 hour time frame, and we have invalidated the downwards cycle. So in order for us to solidify a move to the upside, we need to see a W bottom, which we haven't seen yet on the daily time frame at least. And if we zoom in on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that as well, that we didn't have a W bottom. So we also have a couple of volume candles down below. So what really needs to happen is that we have a retrace to the downside approximately to 26.9k and move out of there. Then we could have a W bottom, and the targets to the upside in the next impulsive move up is first and foremost to 30k. If we break that, we could go all the way up to 34k in the next impulsive wave up, but we really need to see a retrace. I do think that will happen during the Jerome Powell testifying, which is going to take place in about 10 minutes. Fed Jerome Powell testifies, he'll do that tomorrow as well. So today and tomorrow could be some volatility for the Bitcoin price. We also know that Blackrock, which owns almost all of the markets in the world, have started to create a Bitcoin ETF, which is huge for Bitcoin, and that could kick off the next bull market. But we also need to take into account the liquidations, and to the downside we have a lot of liquidations, a lot of people foaming into longs at the 27k area. We still have them at 24 and at 20k as well. So I do think the next reaches will come, and as I said to you, at 26.9k we do have volume candles, which means open orders which hasn't been filled, and we also have liquidations in that area as well. So that could be the next target for the coming 2-3 days, that we move in that area and then up and away from there up to possibly 36 to 40k. But that's another story, and we'll take it in the next day trading update. But let's look at AVAX first. So looking at AVAX, we can see that we have a couple of volume candles which hasn't been recovered yet. We have them all the way up to approximately $14. A lot of open orders in that area. We had a huge drop to the downside, and as I said to you, this accumulation phase is an indication that we're going to see something big coming up soon. And we moved quickly away from this range from, let's say, $12 down to 11, and we moved away from there and closed on the 1 hour time frame above that. We have created couple of volume candles which hasn't been recovered. We have them from this area right here, so we need to mark them off in the chart to this candle right here. I'm gonna mark it off in red to indicate that this is a short opportunity. So I do think we could see another drop to downside when Bitcoin drops as well, and then we could attack the target above. And we have also created a W bottom in the same time. So the next impulsive move to the downside could be all the way down to $11.3, but we could also just hit half of the volume candle and recover half of it to 11.5k. That could be a target for you to place some orders. Not financial advice. None of this is. It's all for educational and entertainment purposes only. But you could place some orders there, some long orders, and ride it out at least to $14. But I do think the next impulsive way up could be all the way to $20. And that could possibly happen in 3 steps, like this. The usual market maker structure, where we will have a double top formation around the $20 area. But that's far in the future. We do want to look out for the retrace and be prepared for when it happens, because the move down could be slow, and then away from there it could happen in seconds. So be mindful of that and have a good day. This is Big Boss Brother number 2, and we'll talk to each other on Friday. Peace out.